So many years ago in Powers Castle, there was a lady called Mary, and she spun, I think it was string for the king. She was led into a so-called apparently haunted room by the servants and was forced to stay in there. She was calmly reading her Bible, minding her own business, when this figure appeared through her window and possibly quite scared her quite a bit. She was very confused, and this figure person led her to another room, and they went through the hallway when she saw a key on the wall, and then also saw and then the figure told her to lift the floorboard where she found this box. Then after that she found the box, and she was very scared once she went back into her room, and she screamed, and this is when the other servants came running. Once she showed them the box and told them about it, they went. The king wasn't in the castle at this time, so they had to get they had to get two carriages where one would carry the box and one would carry the key. So if one of them got lost, the other, they can open the box or whatever. So once they got it back to the king was very happy that Mary found it, and he gave her a cottage outside of the castle where she then would visit every once in a while to carry on spinning for him. And yeah.